Okay, so now continuing with our lecture, that is with the same connective tissue. We have finished now two connective tissue. That is our one is the loose connective tissue. We know about each and every detail, and second connective tissue is the dense. These two makes your connective tissue proper, right? So now we are moving on to specialized connective tissue, in which I will discuss cartilage with you, as well as I will discuss bone and the blood, right? So today I am taking cartilage in detail. Otherwise, specialized connective tissue, we will talk about cartilage, bones, and the blood. They include your special type of connective tissue. When we say cartilage, please, many students, it actually, I have observed that many students, they get very confused with these tendons, ligaments, bones, and cartilage. Always remember that tendons and ligaments, they are the joining ones, right? Tendons and ligaments, they joint for the muscle to bone and bone to bone. Cartilage, it includes a very special kind of cells, and it has a particular function like the bone. Now cartilage, it is made up of definitely cells, and it has a very specialized matrix. The cells, ये क्वेश्चन आता है पेपर में, right? Cells, please pay attention here. Very important cells. They are present in cartilage. They are known as chondrocytes and chondroblast. So if I ask you what is the cells of cartilage known as, very confidently what will you answer? That they are the chondrocytes and chondroblast, right? Actually, these cells, they are which are present in cartilage, they are also fiber producing cells. So fibroblasts are also present in the cartilage. Now chondroblast जो हैं, they secrete matrix. Just pay attention here. Cartilage is made up of cells, and these cells, they secrete fibroblast. Fine. They are fiber producing cells, so they make fibroblast. As well as it is having matrix. So cells, they are can be chondrocytes and chondroblast. Out of these, chondroblast are the ones, those cells which make the matrix or which secrete the matrix. Suppose these are the chondroblast, and they will help in matrix. Now they will move inner side, and once they are surrounded by matrix, now they will change into chondrocytes. इसका बहुत ही सिंपल मीनिंग है कि इनिशियली जो सेल्स होते हैं, सेल की जो लेयर है, इनिशियली सबसे पहले वो कॉन्ड्रोब्लास्ट होते हैं. ये कॉन्ड्रोब्लास्ट, व्हेन दे आर कवर्ड विद द मैट्रिक्स, देन दे चेंज themselves into chondrocytes, or then they are known as chondrocytes. So two types of cells present in cartilage, that is the chondrocytes and chondroblast, as well as there are the fibroblast also. Matrix of cartilage, it looks like a rubber like, and as well as it has few fibers also, but matrix of cartilage, it looks like rubber like, and complete matrix is made up of material, just keep the spelling, that is the chondroitin sulfate. It is made up of the chondroitin sulfate. So now how does it look like when we draw the structure of cartilage? Outmost layer, outmost covering, it is having fibrous, like this, fibrous sheath, right? And this fibrous sheath is known as perichondrium. Outermost there is this fibrous sheath, and it is known as perichondrium. When you move to the inner side, then as you can see, these are the cells which are known as chondroblast. These are the cells which are known as chondroblast. Now I said that once they start moving inner side, once these chondroblast, I have made it with the actually black color. These are the chondroblast. Once they move inner side, they will form matrix. They will form matrix, and now they will be known as chondrocytes. सबसे पहले ये किस फॉर्म में होते हैं? These are the chondroblast. बट जैसे ही ये इनर साइड पे मूव करते हैं, they surrounded by the matrix, they start forming matrix, then they are known as chondrocytes, right? So here you can see this is the matrix. So now all the cells, they are surrounded by matrix. Now these chondrocytes, these are the chondrocytes. Let's make it with the black only. These can be present alone as well as in the group. They can be 2, they can be 3 together, they can be 4 together, right? But all these cells, as you can see, these cells, they are placed in a fluid filled space. This is cavity. They are surrounded by or placed in a fluid filled cavity which is called lacunae. These all cells, chondrocytes, they are placed in a fluid filled cavity which is known as lacunae. इसके अलावा और क्या मिलेगा आपको यहाँ पे? You will find matrix, then you will find fibroblast, few collagen fibers as well as elastin fibers. That is how the structure of cartilage looks like. It is having perichondrium, it is having elastin fibers, it is having chondroblast, and then once they form surrounded by matrix, they are known as chondrocytes. They are placed in a fluid filled cavity which is known as lacunae, right? Now depending on which type of matrix is present, सब कार्टिलेज में मैट्रिक्स सेम नहीं होता है. सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन दिस मैट्रिक्स, cartilages, they are of mainly of 3 types. Very interesting one. Hairline, fibrocartilage, elastin cartilage. अब तक तो आपको बिल्कुल क्रिस्टल क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए द मोमेंट आई से fibrocartilage and elastin cartilage. Definitely hairline cartilage, you are listening first time. Hairline cartilage की जो matrix होती है, that is glass like. Fibrocartilage matrix is tough, and elastin cartilage is flexible and elastic matrix. See, fibrocartilage matrix is tough because it is having mainly collagen fibers. Elastin cartilage matrix is flexible and elastic because क्यों? क्योंकि it is having elastic fibers. And hairline cartilage is glass like because it is having very few fibroblast cells. So very few fibroblast means very few elastin, very few collagen. So mostly crystal clear जैसा situation होती है hairline cartilage में. So let's look at the structure. This is hairline cartilage, fibrocartilage, elastin cartilage, right? Cells are same. These are, as you can see, these I have drawn here chondroblast, right? These are chondrocytes. When the chondroblast change into chondrocytes, and they are surrounded by a fluid filled cavity. What is that cavity known as? What is this cavity? Lacunae, right? This cavity is known as lacunae. Now in hairline cartilage, we are having very few elastin, very few collagen, and very few fibroblast. And this matrix that is why we call it as a clear and glass like. Matrix is very clear and look like a glass like. In fibrocartilage, we are having many collagen bundles, many collagen, many collagen. Who is producing them? Definitely these fibroblasts, they are producing them. So fibroblasts तो होंगे ही होंगे. So many fibroblasts, many collagen fibers. So that is why this cartilage is known as fibrocartilage. Many collagen fibers, many fibroblasts. That is why this matrix is very tough. and having very high tensile strength, very high strength. Then there is, you can see, elastin cartilage. Here you will found these elastic fibers which appear as a single thread, as well as what will you find in matrix? These fibroblast you will found in the matrix. So matrix is having more elastic fibers, so the matrix will be flexible and elastic. Example, in our body, where will you find hyaline cartilage? It is find at the tip of the bones. Suppose if this is a bone, on its bilkul exactly at the tip, there will you find hyaline cartilage. Then larynx, your C-shaped tracheal rings, even in the endoskeleton of embryos, जो उनका internal skeleton structure होता है, you will find hyaline cartilage, as well as in the cartilaginous fishes, there this hyaline cartilage is found. Now, where you will find this fibrocartilage? First thing, structure is clear to you? Yes. You know that it is a tough cartilage? Yes. You know it means it will be found in those areas where you need a very tensile strength, where shock absorption has to be there. So intervertebral disc, जो हमारा vertebrae होता है उनके बीच में there is a disc. When you stand, when you basically take your body takes your there is a weight of your body. So in between the vertebrae, this cartilage, which cartilage? Fibrocartilage. This is present as a disc, as a plate. It absorbs all kind of stress. That is why when you stand, when you stretch, this cartilage help you to relax. Next, it is found in the pelvic girdle. Pelvic area may basically when two pubic bones they join in which we call as the pubic symphysis. This area where two pubic bones they join, that is called pubic symphysis. वहाँ पे भी सबसे ज़्यादा shock, सबसे ज़्यादा stress situation रहती है. That time you found this hyaline fibrocartilage. Basically strength जहाँ पे चाहिए वहाँ पे आपको फाइब्रो मिलेगा. जहाँ पे अब आपको स्ट्रेचेबिलिटी चाहिए, आपने अपनी जरा नोज टिप जस्ट टच योर नोज टिप टच करोगे तो यू विल फील ये बोन नहीं होती है. प्लीज़, बहुत सारे बच्चे गलती करते हैं. दिस इज़ नॉट अ बोन. जो आपका नोज टिप है, दिस इज़ अ कार्टिलेज विच काइंड ऑफ वेरी इलास्टिक. That is the elastic cartilage, right? Pinna, your ear pinna. Epiglottis, you know that it is a flap which close the glottis, very stretchable. When you swallow the food, always it close your glottis so that food cannot go there. So that is also flexible, that is also elastic. So which cartilage is present there? Elastin cartilage. So I think and I hope that these three cartilage they are clear to you, right? Hyaline cartilage, fibrocartilage, elastin cartilage, and I don't think that there should be any confusion now in your mind regarding the collagen as well as the elastin, because we have done now lot of about these things, and you can mention any best structure as well as their functions after watching my these videos of the connective tissues, right? The next we are going to take another important structures, that is the bones as well as blood, and we will definitely going to mark very important points about bones and